80% of running injuries have exactly one cause, and I guarantee it's not your shoes, your foot strike, or your genetics. We love to blame biomechanics or overpronation, but the evidence shows the body is incredibly adaptable. The real killer is the violation of load. You applied force faster than tissues could adapt. Think of injury as a simple equation. On one side is tissue capacity, how much stress your bone or tendon can take. On the other is load. When load exceeds capacity, structure fails. Here's the trap that catches even pros. You cannot listen to your body to prevent this. Why? Because physiological adaptation lags behind cardiovascular fitness. Your heart gets fit weeks before your tendons do. Your aerobic engine upgrades quickly. However, connective tissue like the Achilles has poor blood flow and adapts slowly. You feel fit, so you run harder, overloading a structure that wasn't ready yet. Sports scientists track this using the Acute, chronic workload ratio. It compares your recent fatigue, last 7 days, against your established fitness, last 28 days. The danger is the spike relative to your baseline. To stay injury-free, keep your workload ratio between 0.8 and 1.3. A ratio over 1.5 doubles your injury risk. Forget random intensity spikes. Consistency is the ultimate evidence-based shield. Respect the ratio, run forever. See you next time.